Hi, I'm Carrie McCall and welcome to Design Talk. So today I'm going to talk a little bit about designing and pulling together a bookcase. As you can see with these bookcases, they're huge. They make a statement in themselves. And the goal is not to overdo the bookcase. So right behind us, we're going to take a look a little bit about the product that we're going to be putting on the bookcase. And as you can see, it's not a ton. And that's really the whole base of the bookcase, is to make sure that the bookcase stands out and the items on it are just an accessory, kind of icing on the cake, if you will. So the first step I always think about when I'm doing a bookcase is how wide are the shelves, how deep, and how tall. And that's going to start to indicate and pull together the thought process of what we're going to be putting on the bookcase. So let's get started. When I look at the bookcase first, the first thing I love to do is I want to create almost a zigzag pattern going from the top all the way down. So because this bookcase is so high, I really just want to put something up there that's just going to be a standalone piece. Now, what I really tried to do is stay as neutral as possible. Don't hurt yourself climbing up the little mini ladder. As neutral as possible. And I wanted to do that because, once again, I just wanted that to show off of the nice dark mahogany veneer that's behind. And then I'm going to go to my books. I love putting books, coffee table books, on a bookcase. I just think it's incredibly important to have little pops of color and some books on there that you've collected along the way, whether that's books from artwork that you love, or international travel, or design type books. So as you can start to see, I'm starting to kind of take it and zigzag down the bookcase. I love the white pieces because they really shine very nicely against the back. And it gives you a little bit of texture without really adding a lot of extra things on the bookcase. Now, because this silver is so shiny, I really tried to keep the color tone the same. I'm not afraid of mixing metals, but in this situation, I don't want to take away from kind of what the bookcase looks like and how pretty it really is. Now, the next thing I'm going to add are just a couple great picture frames. As you can see, we don't have any pictures in them yet, but this is going to give the client an opportunity to really add exactly what they want, their own individual pictures in it. So I've already set it up for them, and then they can kind of do their own thing. Now, the nice feature about this bookcase is it has this 3-point lighting system. So when everything is lit and it's glass shelving underneath, you can really see how everything from the top just shines its way all the way down. So it's done, put together. It took 5 minutes, and it looks beautiful. And as you can see, we have a couple pops of color in here. We have some white detailing, something for the client to now add their own personal touch to, and then just a couple little silver accents to tie it all together. And that's how you put together a bookcase.